Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari, Department of Civil Engineering. My subject, Watershed Management. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 2 Principles of Soil Erosion and its Control Measures. In that, we are already discussed control of soil erosion. How to control soil erosion by using different methods. Sustain or improve crop yield. The main motto of watershed management is improve the area overall and cover with vegetation. So it increase the infiltration capacity and hold the soil and root zones. So increase the infiltration, reduce the soil erosion losses, and a majority of those particles are recognized composed of good soil, crop and water management. And effective soil erosion control means maintain good soil structure and also protect the soil surface by adequate crop and cover. And these are the different methods for control of erosion. In that we can already discuss mulching and cover crops. What is mulching? What is cover crop? The mulching means before going to mulching, a perfect vegetation cover the best protection of soil. A permanent vegetative cover is the best protection for soil. It holding the soil strongly and survive in very adverse soil condition with the capability, very adverse soil capability. And loose soil have a more permeability, and also land use system should be properly implemented by using overall land covered by vegetation only. The main principle of biological control is to prevent high spread of water and conserve water within the soil. And what is mulching means the overall land covered by using either straw, maize, stalk, etc. This cover protect the soil from the raindrop impact and reduce the velocity of runoff and wind. And what is cover crop? The cover crop means growing as a conservation measure either during half season or as ground protection under trees. These two are already discussed. And also multi-cropping, and multi-cropping means here increase the production from the land while providing protection of soil against erosion. That means rotation and strip cropping, rows crops and protective effective crops are growing in alternative strips aligned on the contour or perpendicular to the wind. And growing different crops consequently in rotation reduce erosion as high rate of soil loss under row crop is concentrated by low rate. And comes to high density cropping. Come to high density cropping. The high density cropping indicates it is useful to try to obtain the same effect for monoculture then multi-cropping achieves for two or more crops. That means multi-cropping. High density cropping you can use it to multi-cropping achieve for 2 to 3 more crops. And agroforestry. What is agroforestry means? Trees can be incorporated within a farming systems by planting them on terrace, contour, bounds, and an ornamentical around the homestead. This reduces soil erosion and provides additional needs to the farmer. Wind cropping. The crop are grown at right angle to the direction to the wind. In wind crop, already we can discuss this wind crop. In a crop are grown right angle to the direction of the wind. And also field strip. Contour strip cropping means the crops are grown at right angle to the natural slope of the wind. And fertility of soil. A very common way of restoring soil fertility is by growing leguminous plants, thus aiding in fixing nutrients to the soil, adding nutrients to the soil, and also adding humans to the soil increase its porosity, water holding capability, and fertility of soil. Commercial fertilizers like commercial fertilizers like ammonium phosphate, ammonium sulfate, potassium nitrate, rock phosphate to add to the fertility of the soil, fertility of the soil. And rotational grazing. For controlling erosion on grasslands, rotational grazing is practiced, that is, stock is moved from one patch to another to give time for the grass to recover. Grass to recover. The pH value, erosion of soil by water can be reduced by minimizing the by minimizing the amount of soil bare through reduced vegetation. Amount by minimizing the amount of soil bare through reduced vegetation, and also retaining the stubble of the crop in the soil, and also crop rotation may be encouraged. Crop rotation may be encouraged. Proper grazing management should be practiced. Proper grazed management should be practiced, and vegetation may be retained in sensitive areas. Vegetation may be retained in sensitive areas, and also soil erosion by landslides is unusually caused by excess moisture in the soil of simply areas, and salinization of soil caused by accumulation of free salts can be prevented by growing deep rotated plant species to maximize the cycling of water and nutrients in the root system of the plants. Salinization means caused by accumulation of free salts. Generally, soil consists of a salt. Increasing in the salt content in the soil is called as salinization. Already in first class we already discussed salinization, and that can be prevented by growing deep rooted plant species to maximize the cycling of water and nutrients in the root system of the plant. And also shifting rotational crop. That rotational crop means rotation of perennial crops and leguminous plants alternating with cash crop controls soil erosion, and leguminous plants increase the nutrient status of the soil. Leguminous increase the nutrient status of the soil. And also control of grazing means the animals eat the various short part of plants, then weakening the underground root system, and the soil due to which this loose soil is blown off or washed away easily. And also the next one is rotational crop, shifting cultivation. What is shifting cultivation means? An area forest is cleaned by slash and burn and cultivated with crops for a second year before being allowed to revert to scrub and secondary forest. This practice will maintain soil fertility and reduce soil erosion as long as the low ratio population to land areas is maintained. This is the remaining proper forest management, reforestation, afforestation, soil management will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.